CPI Central Control Commission member Moirangthem Nara asserted that the government is questionable if the violence will end only after achieving specific number of deaths. This was stated during the condolence ceremony of General Secretary Comrade of All India Kishan Sabha Atul Kumar Anjan held at Irawat Bhavan at BT Road today. Speaking on the occasion, Moirangthem Nara stressed the need of response from BJP government as the situation has crossed 1 year. Suggesting for political dialogue to restore peace in the state, Nara further queried the government if they are waiting for resettlement without tangible efforts rather than manipulating the public to garner their trust through false promises. CPI Manipur State Council Secretary L. Thoiren, former State Secretary of CPI L. Sotin Kumar, Manipur Lomi Lup President Comrade L. N. Singajit and Working President of Manipur Lomi Lup S. Nilakamal attended the condolence. Tributes were offered to the departed souls on the occasion.
State Sarkar Pairi Bishu BJP ni, Center Sarkar Pairi Bishu BJP ni, Huji Pago Tatara Nitho Sujala, Chahi Mafajala Basi Bauda, solution as Purpugi Lambishi, you would why? Siki Pakumsi BJP in the Pimum Toto. Honagini, Chahi Mohonable, Sikarito Upang de Adu, the Karamkando Honor do issue. Me machine Akana Bashi on the Sirakanda, Lushingani Hypo upon Labra, quite hanging ever. Negotiate the way of Hamzu upon day. Peace Committee, Shemna Tozu, Shamakara Kidre, Praja Yawayu, Praja to invite out the Canala to the game. Tical dialogue, not an amnesty matum, the solution purpudi or it's impossible. Hanjan Heidi Madu peace process, hope you, Santi Purnabulambishi, the Junction Bio, Hana Sunova no make out the Lepan Bigo, Child Level Kang of Kangushing Sigi, rehabilitate to be Hinnabagilambidu, out clearly would be over.
Meanwhile, Moirangthem Nara mourned over the loss of Comrade Atul Kumar Anjan and reflected his significant contributions to the farmers' movements across India. Nara emphasized Anjan's immense contribution to the left movement, student movement and various other initiatives that aimed for betterment of the society.
Lepki movement da, Lomi Yandalunda, Tuan Basatragi, Ihoda, society Sigi, Chochoba, Barot Kitenagiba, movement Kayada, Chitabalate Yorkiba, Hogiba, Tarikahum, Ayuki, Noalandai Hunga, meaning the food and Nimagi. Makinsher Nabanita Semudi, Adu Chaikarasi, man never Mashangam Diedana, Patanlati, till he is dead, Magi spirit was very high. Magumba Mishakama. Mangjabasi, it's not only Communist Party ki wadanati. Samaj social progress lainana ba movement kaya to sige manungda magi contribution na si hekta mapamam daleramani. Sumain to dana miyama sige sure no mo hingi ba miyama sige ang tam mapunsi katok po makhi hono gi ba misya kasi koina ningsing mabthoy